Hello and welcome, I'm your Code Monkey. The asset store is full of awesome tools and assets to help you make your own games. There's more and more awesome stuff coming out every month, so in this video let's check out some highlights that were released in May 2021. Just watching some assets is enough to fire up my imagination. I can instantly picture all of the kind of games that I could build with them. This one is the list of paid assets and effects. I've already made 2 videos covering the best free new assets and the best tools and systems. Go watch those if you haven't seen them yet. Let me know which ones of these you're most interested in and I might do a detailed review on it. As always, there's links to the assets in the description, and as a bonus you can use the coupon code monkey10 to get 10% off your order. And by the way, check out my own assets on the store. So far I've made the free key door system, which is a super simple way to add keys and doors to your game, and the mouse cursor system pro, which is a very easy to use tool to help you create custom animated cursors to really make your game stand out. I'm currently working on converting more videos into pro systems, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so starting off with the latest Scifi package, the Polygon Street Racer. Scifi assets are always awesome, and this one is a great package for a racing game. It's got over 1,000 detailed prefabs, all of them fully customizable vehicles with openable doors, hoods, and trunks. You've got tons of vehicle attachments, which would be perfect for any kind of tuning game. Then if you're in need of some particles, here is Stylized Projectiles 2. It's a pack with 10 unique projectiles, hit effects, and muzzle effects. They all look really great, everything from simple fire projectiles to some really fantastical rays. Or maybe you need some animations? If so, here is a huge collection. It's got over 1,000 animations, starting with some basic locomotion, some bare-handed combat, melee weapons, or tons of guns like an assault rifle or a minigun. You can even check out all of the animations in a WebGL page. They also say they will be adding more animations over time, which is always a great thing. If you want a nice low-poly city, here's one. It's a pretty varied environment. It's got city streets, some restaurants, some coffee shops, it's got a basketball court, a gas station, and tons of vehicles and props. All of it in a nice low-poly style, and all of it made using a single texture. For some UI, here is a sci-fi kit. Really nice clean icons with some weapons, ammo, resources, tools, and more. It's even got some higher detail icons for some vehicles, weapons, and gold. And obviously tons and tons of UI elements. Everything from simple buttons and sliders, a bunch of health bars, and everything you need in order to make a really nice clean interface. Then this really awesome one, it's a human anatomy model. So it's a skeleton, then muscles, and a bunch of skin. It is super detailed with 2K or 4K textures and thousands of triangles. Now, one thing that I've wanted to do for a while is research and make a video on how to make the awesome X-ray effects that you see in games like Sniper Elite and Mortal Kombat, and an asset like this one is perfect for exactly that, so I might pick this one up soon. Next up, the Fantasy Potions Editor. Really nice and simple asset pack for making an infinite variety of potions. So if your game involves potions of any kind, you can pretty much make all of them with just this one asset. And over here is a low-poly racing pack. What caught my eye right away are the specific cars in this package. If you look at it, you might actually recognize and see that tons of them are from the Fast and Furious movies. So you've got Brian's GTR, you've got the super famous Supra, Han's RX-7, Dom's Charger, and so on. So if you wanted to make a Fast and Furious inspired game, then maybe look into this pack. Or maybe you want just one vehicle, but insanely detailed. If so, check out this pickup truck. Extremely detailed model with almost 100,000 polygons. It looks insanely detailed using some really high quality 4K textures. If you're working on a pixel art game and you need some icons, check out this pack. It's pretty cheap and contains over 2,000 unique items. You've got tons and tons of variety, so lots of fish and sea creatures, a bunch of potions, insects and weapons, and all of them in a nice 32x32 sprites. If your game is a realistic modern military, here is a gorgeous looking P90. It's always such a unique looking weapon. It comes with a whole bunch of skins, and if you like this style, then this dev has a ton more unique weapons. Do you need a bunch of fire effects? If so, here's a bunch of stylized effects. All of them great looking and very cartoony. You've got some normal fire, some explosions, a bunch of smoke, and a flamethrower. All of them simple and look great. Or maybe you're working on a sea-based RTS or a trading game. Here's a ton of ships and a bunch of sea props. You've got some tiny ships, you've got submarines and some really massive vessels. Also includes 2 extra assets from this dev from some other packages. You've got an aircraft and a tank. Maybe you can get them all and make a complete Command & Conquer RTS. If you're tired of combat, check out this warehouse pack. Sounds like it would be fun for making a sort of logistics game. You've got over 100 prefabs included, a bunch of boxes, a modular building, some vehicles like a forklift and a stacker, all in a really nice and inviting low-poly art style. Are you working on a sort of survival game? Then check out this desolate desert. It's in low-poly style, you've got some nice cacti and a bunch of rocks, also some simple bushes and trees, and all of it nice and mobile friendly. Then here's a great Moba pack. It's the standard Moba map, so you've got 3 lanes and a bunch of jungle, you've got a couple of towers and tons of minions to fight. So if you've got a Moba prototype that you'd like to try out, then you can use this to get it very quickly up and running. If you need some particles for your MOBAs, then here's a bunch of them. Almost 200 different effects. You've got lots of fantasy particles, projectiles, explosions, fire, and so on. Whatever skills you need to add to your game, I'm sure you find the right particles for it. Maybe you want a bunch of dogs? Here's a nice pack. Features 14 breeds of dogs, all of them with 74 animations. So maybe this is perfect for adding a nice companion into your games. They are all pretty realistic, but this dev also has another pack with a more cartoony art style if that fits your game better. For making a side-scroller, over here is a hand-painted village. It's really nice and inviting. Composed of tons of parts so you can easily build endless variations. And it also includes sprite shape profiles so you can make some really nice curved shapes. And if you're working on a game with some progression, here are some nice fantasy game ranks. Includes 20 pre-made ranks and a bunch of color variations. Also includes a bunch of icons to further customize your ranks, all of them in high resolution so you can really zoom in. Alright, so those are my top 20 new assets on the Unity Asset Store for May 2021. There's links to all in the description, and as a bonus you can use the coupon code monkey10 to get 10% off your order. Check out the full playlist to see some more lists with free and paid assets, and let me know if you pick up any of these and what you intend to do with them. Also check out my own free and paid assets on the store. Alright, hope that's useful. Check out these videos to learn some more. Thanks to these awesome Patreon supporters for making these videos possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.